I got a USB that is of 64 GB, but here you can see it is showing less size than of its actual size. So if you are having the same problem, we can fix it in minutes. So let's see how we can do this. First, you need to click on this start icon. When you right click on this menu will appear. Here you need to find this management option. I can see here. You need to click on it. Once you click on it, you will see this window. Now here you can see that I have a USB drive that is of 64 GB, but there is some space that has been unallocated. So to fix this issue, you need to click on this allocated drive. Basically, you need to right click on this allocated drive and you need to delete this volume. Now, just a warning sign is that all the data, all the files that are present in allocated space will be deleted. So you need to have a backup of those files. Okay, so you need to delete this volume. When you tap on delete volume, probably this pop-up will appear. You need to tap on yes. Once you tap on this, you will see that the actual size has been unallocated, so I need to allocate this and create a single drive. You need to again right click on this unallocated drive. You need to tap on simple volume, tap on next. Maximum size should be written in this new simple volume. So you need to tap on next. Here you can also change the drive letter. I will continue with F. So tap on next. I will name this drive as USB and I will tap on next, tap on finish. Once you will tap on finish, you will see that the whole or the actual size has been allocated. We will see in the PC, and here you can see now the actual size of USB has been allocated.